Hi y'all, I'm Justin with Carter's Country. Here today with George with Rugged Suppressors. We're gonna go over some of their mounting options. They have a lot of different options. Without further ado.
So we're gonna be going over our dual taper system as well as our hub mounting. So I have our Alaskan 360 right here. It's gonna come with our RUM mount, our rugged universal mount in there. So all the mount is, it's our standard muzzle devices. So I have our M2, which is actually bored out for 9mm. So thread it in there, and then you lock it down. At that point, that suppressor is not going anywhere off of your gun, okay? You're free to go ahead and start shooting your suppressor on your gun without any worry of it coming loose or, flying down range. To take it off, you'll undo the mount, and then you can unthread it off your gun. These other two items that I have right here, those will come with your Surge as well as your Alaskan. So you have the rugged multi-tool, which will take off your end cap. While I'm doing this, I'll kind of explain the purpose of this. So we give you these two tools to be able to change out the mounting system or to change out the, to take off the RUM mount. So what it is, so taking off that, you're gonna insert the tool into the end cap, and then you've got your retainer. Stick the retainer on there. Then you've got your other end that you'll stick inside the mount. By design, the two nuts on the end, those are two different sizes. So you got your 3/4 and your 5/8, and you can use wrenches to take off that mount off of your suppressor and put a direct thread in there or somebody else's. All of our dual taper muzzle devices are compatible across the board, so whether you're buying our Alaskan or one of our other rifle suppressors, you can use the dual taper. We offer the M2, which is bored out for 9, or 45 if you're buying the 5/8. And then we also offer flash hiders and muzzle brakes that'll work on those as well.
As always, if you ever shot, or hunted with us, you're always a part of the Carter's Country family. And until next time, adios.